Good afternoon, friends. Myself, Professor Kamlesh Jadhav, Assistant Professor of Agricultural Extension, and today I'm going to discuss about rural social groups. Firstly, we will see meaning of social group. A social group consists of two or more people who regularly interact on the basis of mutual expectations and who share a common identity. It is easy to see from this definition that we all belong to many types of social groups like our families, our different friendship groups, the sociology class, and the other courses we attend. Even people who live by themselves still interact with family members, co-workers, and friends, and to this extent, still have several group memberships. Then, definition of social group. A social group is defined as when two or more individuals come together and influence one another, they may be called a social group. This definition was given by William Cockburn. And second definition is social group is a group of two or more persons who are in a state of interaction with each other. This definition is given by Mayer Nimkov. The meaning of this definition is that a social group is a collectivity of two or more individuals who are in state of interaction with one another. State of social interaction refers to reciprocal influence individuals exert on one another through interstimulation and response. This state of social interaction or influence is a compulsory characteristic of a social group. A group of boys discussing the last watched movie is a social group because through their verbal interaction they are influencing each other. Examples are a family living in a home, group of employees working in the same organization, group of classmates, a group of members of a meeting, and so on. Then uh, another two terms are related with rural social groups. First one is social category and so second one is social aggregate. Firstly, we will discuss about social category. A social category is a collection of individuals who have at least one attribute in common but otherwise do not necessarily interact. Women is an example of social category. All women have at least one thing in common, their biological sex, even though they do not interact. Then we will see what is meant by social aggregate. Social aggregate is a collection of people who are in the same place at the same time but who otherwise do not necessarily interact except in the most superficial of ways or having anything else in common. The crowd at a sporting event and the audience at a movie or play are the common examples of social aggregates. These collections of people are not a social category because the people are together physically and they are also not a group because they do not really interact and do not have a common identity unrelated to being in the crowd or audience at that moment. Then types of social groups. Social group have following types. First one is on the basis of contact. There are two types, primary group and secondary group. Then second one is on the basis of identification. There are again two types, in group and out group. And on the basis of rules and regulations. Again, there are two types, formal group and informal group. The next is on the basis of structure. There are three types, voluntary group, involuntary group and delegate group. And the last one is on the basis of relation to society. There are four types, unsocial group, pseudo-social group, anti-social group and pro-social